Hello, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I am Rachel. This is not Blake. This is Jennifer, and she is with Do Terra Oils because she's a good friend of mine, and we want to talk about camping with natural solutions and health remedies. So go ahead and tell us what you have that applies to camping.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Rachel. Excited to talk to you guys today. So I have 6 camping issues and 6 natural solutions for you. So the first one is, I am assuming that sometimes when people are hiking or boating or fishing, that sometimes their muscles hurt and they're sore afterward. So the first thing I want to show you is the Deep Blue Stick. So this almost looks like a deodorant, but when you pull it off, it actually rolls on like a deodorant, but you can put it where you need it. It's got both deep blue and copaiba in it, so it's really, really good for inflammation, pain, sore muscles, all of that. And it's easy and it doesn't leak, so you can just throw it in your backpack. So that's nice. Number 1. Number 2 is Correct-X. This is for if you have any cuts or scrapes, which I'm assuming sometimes happens when camping. It can happen. So this has a lot of the more expensive oils in it, like frankincense and helichrysum, for a lot cheaper price. So this is going to replace like your antibiotic ointment or your Neosporin, but it's going to be completely toxin free. So anytime you have a cut or a scrape or a burn or anything like that, you can just put that on it. It's also really convenient because you can just throw it in your backpack without worrying about it leaking out. So number 3 is, I wondered if maybe sometimes when you're camping, you may eat too many s'mores. I know I do sometimes. And so I thought you might want to grab a bottle of DigestZen. So DigestZen oil is our digestive oil that's really good for any kind of tummy pain. And if you get the roller bottle, it also has coconut oil in it. So it's diluted and safe for children. So you can just rub it right across your belly button and it works really well for any kind of stomach pain. The 4th thing I have down is bug bites. We are going to talk about a bug repellent, so hopefully you won't get any, but if you do, I recommend Purify Oil. So if you just want to take a drop of your Purify Oil and put it directly onto it, just put it on your finger and rub it right on. It's got a strong smell, almost like a pine tree, but it's very good at both mosquito bites and spider bites. So this is really good to keep in your backpack for any kind of insect bites. The 4th thing I have is a sunburn. So I know this summer I got sunburned several times, and all I do is I just take one of these plastic bottles. I keep one in my cabinet. They're just from Dollar Tree, and you just fill it up with water, and then you grab your lavender and your peppermint. The peppermint is going to cool. The lavender is going to heal the skin and get rid of the burn. So in a bottle this size, I would do 15 to 20 drops of each with the cold water and just shake it up and spray it on. And I have seen the redness of a sunburn and the pain of a sunburn go away pretty quickly with lavender and peppermint. So those are definitely must-haves if you're going to be outside. And then the last one is a bug repellent. So you actually can use the same kind of bottle. I would just fill it up with water or witch hazel, whichever you choose, and then do 10 to 15 drops of these 3. So Terra Shield is the basic bug repellent. It kind of is just mosquitoes and general bugs. This is very inexpensive, so this is a good one to keep on hand. Every one of these bottles has 250 drops, and you're only using 10 to 15 drops of this. So you're going to be able to make a lot of bottles with just one of these. And then you're going to add in lemongrass, which is also a very inexpensive oil. And this is going to take care of the gnats. Those are super annoying around us in the summer, and gnats hate lemongrass. And then you're going to throw in 10 to 15 drops of citronella, which is also an inexpensive oil. So you can make quite a few bottles of bug spray for a whole summer just with these 3 bottles of oil for a lot cheaper than buying over-the-counter bug spray, which of course is not good for you or not good to breathe. So those are my 6 favorite camping tips. I'm sure there's a lot more, but those I think would be the main issues.
Those are awesome, and you guys cannot smell through the TV. I'm sorry for you because it smells lovely in here. Another thing we wanted to talk about is Nanosilver. So Nanosilver is made up of silver, nanoparticles, and the particles serve as antibacterial, antifungal agents. What our family does, we do this at home, we do it anywhere camping. We have a lot of silver options. This one is a skincare product that you can use as like a salve. It's not pain killing or anything like that. This is purely to be antibacterial, antifungal. We use silver liquid in a variety of ways. If someone's not feeling well, you can put a teaspoon or a tablespoon under your tongue or just swallow it. Or you can use it as a nose spray. You can use it, I use this for a throat spray. This is just a little spray bottle and it really works. Speaking of throat, the silver lozenges are awesome. We go through, I don't want to say a lot of these because we're not sick very often, but when we are, this is our go-to. Even our kids ask for these. They'll say, Mom, my throat's kind of scratchy. Do we have the silver lozenges? So I hope this is helpful to you guys. There's so many products out there. It's overwhelming how many products are out there, and we wanted to give you guys a good idea of what can be a more natural solution for everyday things that might come up while you're camping or while you're at home. If people want more information about your products, what do they do?
Yeah, they can go to my website, which is www.simplyjenbrady.com, and you can learn about these oils and any other questions you have about oils.
Yes, and we'll drop that in the description box, and I'll also drop a little bit of Nanosilver information in the description box. Regular disclaimer, we obviously are not medical professionals, and if you have issues, talk to your doctor, but these are just some healthy options to help you guys in your adventures. Thank you for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups. I am Rachel, this is Jen, and happy camping.